This gravel ride has it all. Rainforest, single track, bike paths, lakes and ocean views, and it's just minutes from Vancouver.
Oh yeah, and we have 2 route options. So whether you're a beginner or you want something more challenging, we have the perfect fit for you.
We start right here, just off the main road. And then right away, you're off the pavement and into the trail, climbing. After that, you roll down onto the pipeline trail until you hit Bert Flynn Park. This is where the forest closes in and you hit that classic boardwalk section. Once in Anmore, you can fill your water bottle, and from there you jump onto the backyard trail. This connects you to the road for a quick stretch just before heading towards Sasamat Lake. If it's a hot day, this is a perfect swimming spot. There's also washrooms. Follow the trail past Sasamat Camp, and by the way, this part of the trail is always a bit rough. And yep, we've reached the ocean. Now at Belcarra Park. This is where I usually grab a snack, go to the bathroom, grab some water, and enjoy the view. Back on the bike, and we head into the rainforest of Belcarra, one of my favorite parts of the whole route. It's filled with hemlock, western red cedar, Douglas fir, rich mosses, ferns, and shrubs. It's always so nice and green in here. Quiet, and honestly, it feels like you're worlds away from the city. Eventually, the trail loops around and drops you back out along the ocean front on this freshly paved bike path that takes you safely back to your car. It's the perfect ride for when you want big scenery and a short day. I've linked the 2 versions of this ride below. One for beginners and one for those of you who want more technical terrain or Type 3 gravel. So grab your bike, grab a snack, and go check this one out. And remember, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more of these great rides or adventures.